Hi, I'm Chris Thompson, Product Manager of Vacuum Excavation here at Ditch Witch, and we're debuting the W8 today. It's on a Peterbilt 548 chassis. It's got a 9-liter Cummins engine in it. This one is an 8-yard truck, has 800 gallons of fresh water, 8 yards or 1,600 gallons capacity. One of the big things on a truck like this is the weight, and so we put a scale on here that gives you the real-time weight. You can set it to shut off whenever you'd like, so that if you're worried about weight capacity and restrictions in your area, you can go ahead and set that to shut off at a predetermined weight. That way you make sure you don't go overweight on the truck. You can see we've got a 26-inch boom on here with 8-inch capability. You can also neck that down to 6 inches if you'd like. We're running a 3800 CFM blower. You're going to be able to generate 21 inches of mercury the way we have to set up. So the way we run both of our Warlock series vacs is we run them off a transfer case. And so what we're doing is we're direct driving that from the PTO. We're not using any kind of a hydraulic pump or anything. We're just direct driving it. That allows you to get more efficiency, more power out of it. And we also feel like that's less maintenance. So coming down the truck, you can see we have our water cabinet here. So we're running a 10 GPM cat pump. We've got our hose reel here. We've got a Dynablast boiler here. And so we have this set up for the water here midship. You come down the truck a little bit, and one of the things that we like about this truck for sure is that we have the side panels here for the water on either side. They're plumbed so they fill front to back and side to side evenly. That really helps with the stability on this truck. And you get to the control panel here, and then you have the hydraulics here. And so you can run everything from the remote and electronic cabinet, but also we have the auxiliary hydraulics here as well, so that you can run it from the auxiliary hydraulics if you need to. And you can see on the back of the truck, we looked at different configurations when we were designing these trucks and decided the most efficient and the best for our customers was to have the tank that lifts and the door that opens. So if this tank lifts, the door opens on it. Also, you have the boom access platform. So you can climb up this truck. If you were to get a clog in the boom, which eventually everyone will, you can climb up there and you can undo the clog, and you have tie outs. A very safe way to get up there and maintenance that boom. We have extra storage cabinets here. And then down here we have our standard cyclonic filtration. And so basically your heavies drop out here, the lights go through the filter, and then you have the exhaust and the silencer out there. So ultimately, when you're hydro excavating, what we're wanting you to do is we're wanting to go out there, you're wanting to pothole, you're wanting to do some cleanup, you're wanting to daylight utilities so that you can go out there and safely put utilities in the ground and or clean up after storms, whatever you want to use the truck for. This truck's built to do that. This is one in the series we have. So we have the W12 we debuted last year, the W8 now. Ultimately, very similar trucks, just kind of a size. You need to be out there on a big pipeline job and be running all day long for multiple days. You use a 12. You're more of an urban setting. You're able to get fresh water easier. You're able to dump a little easier. An 8's probably a good fit for you there. Yeah, so this being a prototype, we're still working on the price on that, but we recognize that we're going to need a decent price difference. So we're looking for about a 25 to 30% price difference, but we need to put a pencil to paper and get it all figured out. Okay. So we're looking at probably March, April to go to full market and be available to order.
For the latest in construction equipment, sign up for our daily newsletter. Just click the link below.